Hi, this is Jerry, and welcome to Meditate with Me. This is our 8-part series of short meditations on interconnectedness. This is episode 4, Nature's Interconnectivity. As we prepare for today, straighten yourself in your chair, align your spine, place your feet flat upon the floor. Begin to feel the connection between you, the surface you're sitting on, your feet, and the earth, and become grounded. Let's begin by taking a breath, just noticing the coolness of the air as it enters our body, and the warm moistness of the air as it exits. Let's take another, noticing the coolness of the air, and exhaling, noticing the warm moistness of the air. Let's just take another breath or two, being aware of our breath. Breathing in and breathing out. Allow your breath to fall into its natural rhythm. Breathing in, visualize humanity as a single thread within Earth's vibrant tapestry, interwoven with countless life forms, contributing to and benefiting from the natural world. Breathing out, question our perceived separation or superiority over nature. As you let this breath out, challenge such views and urge yourself to reconsider our place within the ecosystem. As we close this short reflection, let us carry these words throughout our day. May you experience peace and tranquility for the rest of your day.